What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today, we are diving into a tool that makes healthy living so much easier, the Top Z Personal Smoothie Blender. If you have been looking for a way to upgrade your morning routine with zero stress, you are in the right place. Let's get started. The Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender is all about bringing power and convenience right to your kitchen counter. It is designed for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed drinks without dealing with a massive, complicated machine. This blender features a heavy-duty 1,000-watt motor that can reach up to 1,200 watts at peak performance. What that means for you is that it does not just stir your ingredients, it completely crushes them. Whether you are dealing with rock-solid ice cubes or frozen fruit, this motor handles it all effortlessly to give you a perfectly smooth texture every time. What makes this blender stand out is the stainless steel 6-blade design. These blades are incredibly tough and efficient, making the Topsy a versatile kitchen companion. You're not limited to just smoothies. You can use it to whip up savory sauces, homemade jams, or even fresh baby food. It is perfect for those hot summer days when you want a frosty, icy beverage to cool down. The blending process is quick and thorough, so you're never left with annoying chunks at the bottom of your cup. The design is really focused on people who are always on the move. It comes with a 24-ounce portable blender cup and handy to-go lids. You can blend your favorite ingredients directly in the cup, swap the blades for a lid, and head out the door. It is the perfect size for your car cup holder or your gym bag. Whether you are heading to a fitness session, going rock climbing, or just taking a casual stroll, the Topsy makes it simple to keep your healthy habits on track no matter where you go. Maintenance is usually the annoying part of owning a blender, but this one is a total breeze to clean. Both the blender cup and the lids are completely dishwasher safe. This saves you so much time after a busy morning or a long workout, allowing you to focus on your day instead of standing at the sink. It is built to be durable and reliable, so it can handle the wear and tear of a daily active lifestyle. This blender is an amazing choice for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a quick and easy way to eat better. It combines massive power with a compact and portable design that fits into any kitchen. If you want to start your day with a boost of energy and minimal cleanup, this is definitely a great tool to have in your corner. Don't miss out on making your healthy routine even better. Check the price link in the description to see more details and get your own. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product guides. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next one.